And the biggest question of the day is, will the sell-off continue? And welcome back to the 2-minute market. We break down the market today while keeping it as simple as possible. So today, the big question was, will the market keep selling off after the historic sell-off of yesterday? So before we get into that, let's go into the data that we got. And we got the GDP, which is huge because GDP basically lets you know how much goods and service a country produces. And it kind of lets you know how much money the country's making, right? So the estimate of the GDP, it actually came in a lot better than estimated. So the market had a good data to have that bounce, right? Now let's go into the charts. The S&P 500, we can look at this SPY chart right here. And in the morning, it looks like we were going back down. And then we got a pop. So as soon as we got that pop, everybody thought this is it. This is the point that we can get back in the market and it can go right back up. Well, not so fast. You look at the chart still, it's going over. It's curling over, and then we kept curling over and it's dropped. So now we're almost at that point of the low as of earlier today. So if you look at the charts above all the four main indices, the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ were down. Now the Dow and the Russell were up. So that is another interesting thing. Are we still in that rotation out of the big stocks to the Russell? Now let's look at the cryptocurrency side because you know it has to be some action over there. Now Bitcoin is still resilient. It's still almost hugging that 65,000-ish level. Now, on the other hand, on Ethereum, it's going underneath that range. So we're seeing if it still bleeds out or not. It's a very critical point to see if Bitcoin dominance is going to be a thing or not. But going back to the stock side, again, the market is basically seeing, are we done selling or not? Well, we got a huge data tomorrow. It's called the PCE report. It's the inflation gauge, and everybody's looking at it. We're trying to see if the government is finally going to give rate cuts in September, and this PCE data is monumental. So again, we're waiting for this data tomorrow, and we'll see what the market does on Friday. I will see you tomorrow. I will have plenty of news. It's the 2-minute market. Peace.